Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. This is a little different. I am going to be doing a skincare routine with you guys, and we are going to take off our makeup together. So a lot of you were asking me how I take off airbrush makeup, and it's actually really easy. It's not that hard to take off. You don't have to like scrub all crazy and whatnot. So I am here to use some new products and some existing products, and we're also gonna mask together. So yeah, if you guys want to see this quick skincare routine, please stay tuned. And please don't mind these two blemishes here. I had a scab here from an existing pimple that I popped. I know. And then I scratched that scab off and it was actually gross. So this is the aftermath. Hoping that clears up in a few days. But anyway, if you guys want to learn my quick skincare routine and how I take off my makeup, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on into the skincare routine. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna quickly take off my lashes without pulling my own lashes off. God, this shit hurts. And then I go in with my Wishful makeup removing balm, and I rub a small amount of this between my fingers, and I just rub this all over my face. And what this does is it just melts all of that makeup away, as you guys can see. It even takes off the mascara, and the bulletproof eyeliner that I was wearing literally takes everything off, and look how gross, but it's okay. We're going to wash it off. So I just went ahead and rinsed that all off with just water, and as you can see from this paper towel, it's still dirty. My face, it's still dirty. So you have to go in and cleanse again. This is the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. Take a small amount of this, rub it through your fingers, and I like to massage it into my face for at least 60 seconds to ensure that everything is clean, and then just wipe this all off. Guys, do not use the makeup remover balm by itself because it's better if you use it with a cleanser. It thoroughly cleanses your skin. Then I go in with this Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask, and I like to just apply a mask every now and then, at least once a week, just to kind of shrink my pores. This one is really good for pores, and it feels so refreshing. Oh, it feels so good. It's nice and cool to the face, and you can just feel your pores tightening up, and I love the color. Like, this color is it, okay? So yeah, I'm just applying this all over my face. This is a Sigma Beauty face mask brush. It comes in like a skincare brush set, and then you just leave that on for 15 minutes and wash it off when it is fully dry. I like to dry off my face with a clean paper towel every time because I don't want germs on my face. Then I go in with my Ole Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner, and I just use a cotton round to tone my face. Next, I go in with my Ole Henriksen Glow Cycle Power Serum. This is a retinol alternative, and it's amazing on the skin, super hydrating, refreshing, and it just feels really silky and smooth. I absolutely love it. I've been using this for a couple of years now. And then I go in with the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. Rub a little bit of this all over my face as well. Guys, remember from my previous videos, it's always serum, moisturizer, then any oils that you have. Next, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty lip balm. This is amazing. I always like to apply a lip balm after my skincare routine because lips are a part of your face. So don't neglect them and try to take care of your lips as well. So that is it, guys. That's my entire skincare routine. You can use the same products as I did. You can use cheaper alternatives. Just remember how important it is to double cleanse. Take off your makeup first with an oil or some kind of balm, and then after that, go ahead and wash your face with a face wash. Then you can either jump into a mask, or if you don't want to do a mask, you can go ahead and tone like I did. Apply your serum,
moisturizer, and any oils that you want to use in that order so you don't break out. So yeah, that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this really quick skincare routine. I would love to know your thoughts. Please comment down below what you guys want to see from me, what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm trying to kind of dabble in everything to see what does well and what doesn't, just because I'm waiting for you guys to tell me what you want to see. My Instagram fam does it, but my YouTube fam doesn't. So I need you guys to get on that, please and thank you. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at Makeup by Alaha. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. Thank you guys for all the love and support that you always show me. I am so appreciative of all of it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.